How to change your Instagram notification sound. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Instagram notification sound. Now, head over to your Instagram. Now here you can see that I've opened my account. Head over to your profile and then to your settings. And if you scroll and on settings, you'll find the option notifications. Now here you can find the push notification to either turn on or turn off all of your notifications regarding calls, messages, following and followers, live and reels or anything. But you'll get absolutely no option to change your notification sound. Now, if you head over to your phone settings and go to sounds, here you can set your notification sound and change them. But this doesn't apply only to Instagram. It applies to every notification that you get from a device. So, to be exact, there is no absolute way to change your Instagram notification sound. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.